How to duplicate yourself in video on CapCut. First, you will want to duplicate the clip you're wanting to clone yourself in. You can do this by either copy and pasting it or dragging it into the timeline again. Place the duplicate clip above the original in the overlay section of your timeline. Now select the overlay clip, and on the right-hand side of the dashboard, you will want to select the cutout tab. Then scroll down and select the auto cutout option. This will cause CapCut to automatically remove the background from the selected clip. Once that is finished, I can select the overlay clip to adjust and place it wherever I wish in the video. I can even adjust the size of the clip to make it seem as if one clone is closer to the camera as the other. Now I will follow the same steps for my other clip, then set it up to duplicate only the head of my subject in the shot. Once I've overlaid the clip and cut out the background, I now want to crop the overlaid clip to only display the head of the subject of my shot. Once finished, click the Confirm button at the bottom right of the screen. Now adjust the placement and size of the head you want for the shot. Afterwards, simply copy and paste the overlay into the timeline and overlay the new clip on top of the first duplicate. Now adjust that layer and place it where you want on the clip. Follow this process as many times, according to the amount of overlays you want for the clip.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, Comet creators. End transmission.